this video, we'll be walking you through an idea which involves making money with an AI tool. I would also be adding extra pointers. We came across this tweet which has a very great hook, and the tweet is of two celebrities, Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez, and it says, in an alternate universe, Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez got married and had children. How would they look like? And it sparks curiosity and you want to see what their kids would look like, right? This brings us to this tool, and I was checking what this tool does. Basically, it does something straightforward. You upload pictures of yourself and your spouse, or yourself and your girlfriend, or your significant other, and you get pictures of what your kids or children will look like, right? So this is how it looks like. This is where the tool is, and it has a very nice website. Another interesting thing here is if you scroll down, you would see that there's no subscription. It's just a one-time payment. So if you want to do a generation, it is for $9, and you upload, you put your name, you put your email where you get the stuff, the pictures of the dad, the pictures of the mom, and you pay a $9 fee, then you get the stuff. Now this is where the interesting thing I found is I looked at the affiliate program, right? And in the affiliate program it says $30 commission. Hold on. If this is done at $9 and it's having a 30% commission, if we go back to the Twitter, this tweet is not really doing well. This tweet is at 31.7k views, and I want to say I don't think this tweet is going to convert, right? Because I'm not sure how Twitter is good for converting things, meaning I don't know how many people will go ahead to actually generate stuff. The big idea is if you convert this tweet to a TikTok, by doing that, then you use the TikTok shop affiliate stuff, and or you generate an affiliate link and add that link to your TikTok account. What then happens is if you even repeat the tweet, so if you do a picture of this and say what your child would look like and use the exact same images, then you leave a question saying something like, okay, which celebrities should I do next? And based on the comments, you would have to generate a new set of pictures. So that might involve you actually using your own money maybe to do that, or you can just use ChatGPT to generate like a sample images or something. So what you have to do right now is convert this to a TikTok and keep posting TikToks. Now if you keep posting TikToks about this, is if you do 1,000 sales, which is $9,000, you get 30%, which is $2,700. If you do 2,000 sales, that's $5,400. And currently this niche, I haven't seen it. It exists on TikTok. I've done my research, but it hasn't really taken off yet. So you'll find few TikTok accounts doing this AI stuff, AI baby pictures or AI baby stuff, but it hasn't taken off. So if you can be extra creative about it, you can kill it. That's it for this video. That's what I found, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. Bye.